Hey guys, just out running the roads today, nothing else to do. Just spending a rainy day on the back roads, eastern Kentucky. This pretty cool place, Fitchburg Furnace in Estill County. If you guys don't know, you can stop it on that. I got a close up there of the actual writing about everything. If you guys want to stop it just to read it, I'll do the same here. Some pretty cool facts that I didn't know about it though. I've been by here several times on a motorcycle and stuff like that, but I've never actually stopped and took the time to like walk up through it, walk into it and all that. It's pretty cool. You really don't realize how big this thing is until you actually walk up to it. I've been by it, but I honestly had no idea the size of the entrances and everything. You see it in other people's videos. I seen a dog walk in it and I was like, well, you might be able to walk through it, but I'm like, damn, opening's probably 10 foot tall. Let me widen the screen a little bit. It's pretty cool. I've seen other videos of people and I had no idea like the stuff was this tall. This opening's probably, I don't know, I'd say 4.5 foot. I'm a short guy, so I don't have any problem walking through it. Pretty cool stuff though. This one's a little bit low for me. It's pretty cool having stuff like this close. You never really, I guess we take it for granted. You never really get out and take the time to look at this stuff and just enjoy it. This thing's like 10 minutes from my house, and I've lived in Estill County for probably 12 years and have never took the time to actually walk in it. It's pretty crazy. I can't remember if that, you can go back in the video and read it, but I can't remember if it said it was built in 1868 or if that was the last time it was used, probably when it was built. Man, I would love to have seen this thing in operation though. I guess they made a lot of stuff for the railroads in these furnaces, like the wheels, the tracks for the railroads, wheels for the engines, and I can't even think what they're called right now. The carts. I don't know what they're called, but they made all that stuff for the railroads, and they used coal to to heat the furnace. So pretty cool stuff. It's cool that it's still this well, like, intact, which I guess the forestry service is taking care of it some, but I don't think they've done a lot. I mean, they've kept it cleaned up, done some maintenance on here and there, but for the most part, for all these stones and stuff to be in this good of shape, it's pretty amazing. I guess I can go out that way. Man, I would love to see how, I'm gonna have to Google it though, see how these things actually worked. But if you guys like this stuff, I'm gonna be doing a lot more of this on my channel. I'll have this on probably Facebook too, but TikTok, YouTube. I'm just really trying to build up my YouTube page. TikTok too, but I started that one out being political, and I've kind of got past that because there's nothing we can do. We all know. There's just, I mean, there would be if there was enough people that would get involved, but I'm past all that, so I want to do more of this, traveling with my page. I'm going to be doing some camping, just some other outdoorsy stuff. I see all these overlanding videos, and they're pretty cool, so I mean, I want to get out and do some of this stuff myself, so figured I'd make some videos and get some content. If you guys like it, want to see more of this stuff, just like everybody always says, like it, share it, comment if you want to. But just trying to get it out there. That's a pretty cool picture, actually. I'm going to take a picture of that here in a minute. But anyway, that's it. Just want to make a quick video. Made some other ones today. I might combine them all together. I haven't figured it out yet exactly. The different platforms work differently, and I try to add music to them. And some of them, the videos, if they're too long, you can't add music unless you've already got it in the background, and then you got to worry about them thinking you're trying to monetize it by the music. And I don't know. I'm still learning. It'll get better. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Be safe. Well, I was going to end the video, but I didn't realize these steps were here. Like I said, I rode past here no telling how many times on a motorcycle. I've been up in here working, looking for crews and stuff. I'm a safety supervisor for a right-of-way company, if you guys didn't know. So I'm outdoors all the time. Love it. I don't know how people work inside. I've tried it. It just drove me crazy, being locked up inside all the time. can't remember what the little white flags are for. I used to do that for another company I worked for, the underground utility locating. I don't know if that's what that is or not. Just another view from the backside. I love to go up on top, but I guess there's no way up there. I'm just getting a close up in these in case you guys want to stop the video and read on it or something. Anyway, I'll leave you guys with that. Have a good one.